Hello everyone, today I'm going to compare XRP chart and the XLM chart and then try to diagnose what's going on because we seem to be having, it looks like we're having a trend. We're going to be trading sideways from what I can see now, but for how long we don't know. Have we reached the bottom yet? Still we don't know. But for now, for this purpose of this video, I'm just going to not clarify, just to get an understanding where are we, but I think we pretty much closed. I looked at the XLM chart for a bit, and it's not doing the same thing as XRP, where XRP is trading sideways, XLM is trading. It gave us like that bullish flag formation where I think it's about to go to the upside. But we know XLM and XRP tends to move roughly at the same time, or in correlation, they move together. So are we going to see XRP trending sideways until we see a push to the upside? Is this the bottom, or is there still a leg to go? But we don't know. We'll just see. Anyway. Now this is the weekly time frame on XRP. We're on a weekly time frame on XRP, and I wanted to compare some, but maybe I'll do that in another video. This is our weekly time frame on XRP. So as we can see, we saw that push. We saw a nice massive push to the upside, and then we came back, small retracement, and now we saw another push, and then we came back, but we failed to break the top of the previous. We closed inside, which roughly, when you see these patterns, it tells you maybe something like this. We can draw a trend line there. We can draw a trend line, say it's probably going to make a range from there. Let's make it pink so that it stands out, a pink, or maybe let's do this. Let's make it a zone instead of using this line. Let's make it a zone. We'll take this here and say maybe we'll be trading in there. This is like our little range that we will be trading in, something like that. So what we tend to do because of this, only because of this, we fail to break. So most likely what will probably happen, you see we seem to be kind of like we're holding this level. So we'll make it. Probably we'll be trading inside this level until we see a break to the upside, or we could see a break to the downside. So that's what could happen. So for now we're trading sideways. This is our range. We'll be trading in this range until we see something miraculously happen. And then when we go to the XLM chart, I think we might come back to XRP if we need to finish anything. So with XLM, let me do it this way. So I've put down the trend. This is what the last hour is when I was going through my stuff. Anyway, but that is relevant because that's where we are right now. So we're forming this downtrend trend line, which is bullish. This is so bullish that you can understand it. It's a bullish signal. So we're trending down. So, and now when you put a resistance support level, when you put a support level, and this could be a zone as well, you can make it into a zone rather than a line. You can make it into a zone. This is a zone. Come on. Yeah, there we go. You see, we come into, it's like a triangle, which is coming to the end. So at some point, we need to see a move to the upside or to the downside. The market needs to decide, and we're quite close. We're quite fairly close. It could be any time. It could be next week. It could be this week. As you can see, this trend line, yes, it's coming to a squeeze. We have till end of March. If you go by this first top yellow line on there, but if you go by the bottom, which is another support level. So these lines are took from, it's basically support before it used to be a resistance. You bounced all over there, and then we bounced off there as a support. And then even with the top one, so that this level is very, very, very important. So, but now we have till, what month are we on? We in March. Yeah, we in March. So we have till maybe end of March. If we don't break this level, we have till, come on, we have till maybe first week of April. So something has to happen. Something has to happen so that we're going to break to the upside of it. This is a this formation, this is bullish. Most probably we'll be breaking to the upside. If I was to buy, this is the time to buy XLM now before it shoots up. So my point was, because with XRP we're trending sideways, we don't have too much, unless if you go to smaller time frame, then that's another thing. But we don't have a clear direction. We don't know what's going on, but because we know these two tend to do the same thing, they're roughly the same. When they pump, when XLM pumps, XRP is pumping. When XLM goes down, probably XRP is going down. So this is kind of like giving us the time indication. Like when should we be expecting anything happening? So I would say any time from now, because this is there's no space. It could be in 2 weeks' time that we see a move to the upside or a move to the downside. We could see a move to the up or downside. We could see a break to the upside which is most probably, I would think that that's where this market will be going. A move to the downside. This is where we are with XLM. XLM is about to go up. I believe I'll say 75% of the time probably will go up. And then XRP again, as we looked at it, and here we are with XRP. Yeah, here we are with XRP, still indecisive. We don't know what's going on, trending sideways, and we might probably see a candle forming, might see small little candles forming, maybe there and then there. And then we want to see big candle close above that. So soon, something is about to happen. Not sure when, but pretty soon. I don't know. Something has to happen. If we were to go down from this point on, I don't know. We seem to have found our support. It's kind of like I went through it last week, but we were not sure whether we're going to be bouncing from here or this level. But it seems like we kind of like holding this level for now, and we stay patient and see what's happening with the market for now. I think that's what I wanted to make you aware of. We're quite close. We're really close to seeing a big push to the upside. I think next time what I'll do, I want to compare should I do it now? I want to compare. I want to see what actually happened. What is the possibilities? What are the possibilities? What is a pump? Let's see from the last pump were a bull run that we had when XLM went up. So about 16th, is that 16th? Let me have a look. Let me go closer. What can go? The 16th of November, the 16th of November. Let me see. What's the XRP XLM? When did we have the pump? Okay, we're trading sideways, so 16 as well, week of the 16th. So see what I mean? They tend to pump the same time. This is XRP. So XRP is doing whatever XLM is doing. So we had that little pump. I would say I'll compare it to that. It looks like XRP had a pump and then came back. This is what we see in XLM right now, that pullback. So XLM seems to be doing whatever it was doing. A little push, let's say, because of we're trading like that. We were trading sideways for ages, and then we had that spike. Then now we're retracing. If that was to happen, if it was to repeat this, look at that. Just for curiosity, let's look at it. Let's say, how big was this pump? Let's just measure it quickly. This pump is about 200% here. And today's pump, how big was it? We can compare it like that, but just for entertainment and just to make our heart, 600%. So today's pump or this year's pump was 3 times bigger than the 2020. So if we go by that 2020, let's have a look. This is going to be fun. And we just do leg for leg. Yeah, and then we pull back. When we pull back, after they pull back, I will take that last push. I'll take it from there and we take it all the way to the top. And we did from the pullback, we did about 500% of, so 5 times. So that was 200 pullback, then 500. Let's have a look. So if we were to do the same, 200, then we did 500 from there. So we did 200. Yeah. So now we're doing 300. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and then we pull back. And then if we were to do 500, so we should, if we go by that 500, we should do 1500. Wow. Just for the fun of it. Let's see where will we go for 500. If we were to do a 500 move for 1500% from here, if we were to have a bounce from here, let's have a look. I think it's going to go all the way up 500. Okay, let me see where am I putting my cursor. 2 seconds. I want to be not accurate, but almost there. Okay, so it should be about, let's say we bounce from where we are. If we bounce from where we are now, that will be 1500, 1500, 1500 takes us where? Oh my God, 1500. So 1500 takes us to some other. So 1500 is to take us to nearly $4 XLM. If we were to repeat whatever happened here in 2020, so a minimum of $4 for XLM, well, that's really nice to hear. That is actually nice to hear. So this wasn't planned. I wasn't planning to talk about that, but now it's in the video. So if you want to look at it that way, so compared to what we did the last bull run to if we were to just repeat, remember, oh wow, remember this, there was whatever that XLM had in 2020, probably 80% or maybe 70%, or even their partnerships or whatever that was happening. It was in there in 2020. Now it's 25 years later. Imagine whatever activities they've been doing the past 5 years. This is probably nothing. $4 is nothing. This is just life for life. Wow. This is quite interesting to see. $4. I'll take $4 anytime for XLM. I'll take $4 anytime for it. So yeah, I think we off-railed a little bit, but I think he was nice. He put a little smile on my face. $4. I'll be happy with $4. I'll be happy. Won't make me a millionaire, but I'm one step closer. Yep, I think that's it for me today. Good people. Yes, off-rail a little bit at the end. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We're really close to a break to the upside. Just stay patient. Maybe this is your last chance, or maybe this is our last chance to put something into that big pot that we had, or you have, or I have. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with new analyses, and see you soon.